Okay, good. Because this thing has not been recording for like a long time. I don't know what's been going on since I updated my Windows. Well, not up. Well, the thing is, I've been upgraded to Windows 8. Excuse my background. I'll clean it up later. But I had another update of Windows under Windows 8 or whatever, and something happened where it would not allow the camera application to like record videos properly. So anyway, I'm doing unboxing of this new keyboard that I got for my Nexus 7, which is not specifically made for the Nexus 7, but it can work for it because I had got one before. I wanted to get like, well, I don't think I knew. I didn't know until later that they had like wider keyboards, like probably the size of your laptop keyboard. And so I got this one because it was rated highly, and I used it, and I was like slightly getting the hang of it, but I still didn't really like it. And it was like $25, so I basically wasted $25 Amazon gift card because I really don't use it like that because it's too crammed. And this one is a bit bigger. I was trying to figure out what was the dimensions of the length in inches because nobody actually said anything. They kept on giving like millimeters and stuff and the thickness. And I'm like, that's not the kind of relevance I'm looking for. So maybe I can find, oh, here we go. I got a measuring tape to see like how many inches it is. So I'm going to open it and I'm probably going to do, is somebody calling me? Hold on, I'm sorry. Hello? Sorry about that. It was a phone call my mama called. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna turn on my other camera because I'm gonna have like a second view probably. Hope this thing did not die because like it's been sitting here for a minute. If you going on like the set option. Okay, anyway. Oh goodness, recording videos is a lot. Okay, anyway. So here is the box. This is by Anker. It's called the Ultra Slim Bluetooth keyboard, and I'm about to open it. I'm always unprepared on these unboxings, but this one is not that hard. It's just a sticker on the side. The sticker pulls off the features though if you like keep peeling it past the opening part. But anyway, so let me open this. It's really slender too. That's it. Okay. So here's the keyboard, and they got some stuff in the back. I don't know what that is, but I'm about to figure it out. The back of it is gray, and the front where the actual keyboard is black. I like it too. It's like rectangular. So I wanted a mini keyboard. I didn't want a full one. So I'm like, well, that would be effective in typing, but I wanted it because I wanted it to be portable and portable with the size of my tablet. Like if I were to take it to classes, I don't want to bring my laptop because it's like 17 inches and it's widescreen and HD and all that stuff. So here is the keyboard. If you can see it, I got two cameras on, so you'll probably get a second view if you don't see it one way or the other. Is this thing recording? Let me just make sure. Okay, yeah, it's recording. So, and this is a power user program. Join our power user program. Free new pre-release products. Oh yeah, I'm about to join this. And faster service response time, product discount codes. To learn more, visit .ianker.com. What is this for? iPod type stuff. Just to make sure. Okay, they have it on the back to review the Amazon products. If you can see that, that's cool. So I'm definitely gonna sign up for that. Like free new pre-release products. Not even like first dibs on it. They said free. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. Even though I haven't really researched about their products. And here's an instruction manual, which I probably know how to do this already. Cause it's typically the same way with most of them, I believe. Even though I haven't had a lot from my experience, I believe that's what it is. And it tells you the key functions and everything like that. The back side is in Spanish, I think. I'm not entirely sure because it doesn't really say. Or does it? No, it doesn't. Yeah, it has the pairing instructions. You gotta turn the power light on, connect button, you connect it, enter the password code as displayed on the screen. It's gonna display on the screen. The last time I swear it was like Oh yeah, maybe it did display on the screen. Okay. So anyway, so that the instructions to set it up and everything, and I have no idea what this is. I think that this is what you're supposed to like sit the tablet on. I'm not sure because it don't say anything. It just says technology accessories, top quality, affordable prices. I have no idea what that is. And then there's these things right here, which I feel like this is to go on something like this to like hold the keyboard up, but I'm not sure if it doesn't even really say. And then this is the USB cable, I guess, to charge. Well, to charge and to what do I want to say? Well, pretty much to charge, because when I had the other one, that's what this was for. So yeah. So that's everything, and here's the keyboard once again, for everybody to see. And I'm going to measure it so everybody can figure out how long it is, because they was giving like millimeters measurements, and I'm like, that's not relevant to like the average consumer. We want to know like how long it is, because the one that I had is the size of my Nexus 7, but it was cramped. We had like no space between the keys. And this one measures at almost 9 1/4 inches. You can see that. I can move it down some and move my Nexus over. It's 9. Oh yeah, yep, like 9 1/4 inches. And here is the other one I had from, who is this? Shark. And this actually cost $30, and I got it free shipping with Amazon Prime. And this one is like 7.5. Which is weird because I thought the Nexus 7 was only 7 inches. But then again, you got it's the screen at 7 inches, and this is like the same size as the Nexus itself. So it's about almost 2 inches longer, and you see it has like, there's a difference like between this with like the space between the keys, and then this that's like so crammed and everything like that. And then I don't know why it feels like when I press a button it presses another one. Like I don't think it's because my fingers are fat. Like it's something about this keyboard that I just can't deal with. And so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see if I can pair it up real quick, even though this is really just an unboxing, but I could at least do that. So let me go to my settings. I forget how to get to settings from here. Okay, here it is. Haha. So I put this alternative launcher on my Nexus 7 because the other one's getting on my nerves. Let's see. Sound. Okay, here go Bluetooth. Turn the Bluetooth on. Go to Bluetooth settings. And turn this Anker thing on to turn it on. Hopefully it got better. Yes. Okay, thank God. Right, that's not even on. Don't pair this. Take this off. Like, how long have I... And it won't even unpair it. Okay, here we go. I don't want you to pair it no more. Mobile Bluetooth keyboard for... Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. Had to press the connect button. I'm so slow. I knew that. Okay, this one is called Bluetooth 3.0. So now I have to press in the keys that come up on the screen. Oh, it's connected. Good. I don't really know what this is supposed to do. Like, really, what is the point of this? Isn't like some kind of something I would put on the door? Cause like, is this supposed to hold my Nexus up? Like, what the heck? It's too heavy. It's like random. I don't know. I don't get this, but that's why I got this, because this is what I'm going to use. It's going to take up extra space, but I wasn't about to buy another thing just to stay on. I'm about to like try to type something out, see if everybody can see. How did Google got this? Hope you can see this. Oh well. This Google Google Note application. I want everybody to see everything. Oh no, that's not what I want. Go back. Oh, wait. Let me figure this out, because I'm not going to try to figure that out on here. Let me just like try to type a note. Why does it stay on the screen? I don't want everybody to see all my stuff. There we go. Here we go. Note. Okay. My fingers. I spelled that wrong. You know what? This is what I don't like. I don't want this on here. Like, oh, I did that wrong. I'm getting used of it. I'm in the hang of it. Dang it. I just gotta get used to the placement. Yeah, it's definitely, I have to figure out the placement. So we learned how to do the QWERTY layout, like when I was in my typing class. They got an Android button too. I'm gonna learn how to figure out how to work that later. Dang it. I keep on pressing that wrong button instead of the backspace. I messed up that Y. Dang it. I love this keyboard. Like, for real. I need to get a stand for it. There it go. Change the color of this, like a gray, and that was it. And peace. Maybe I'll do a review of this later, like when I really get to use it and figure everything out. So that was just a small little overview and unboxing. Don't pay attention to my room. I know it's like a hot mess, but whatever. So peace.